Hi everyone, this is the promised review for Stormtrooper armor kit. This is the classic Stormtrooper armor, A New Hope Stormtrooper. It's PETG, 3D printed and then finished. It has professionally painted base coat, high gloss and then hand painted details. It has modeled all the details from the classic Stormtrooper armor, including different quantity of notches on the forearm and that one thumbs up on the right bicep. It has separated code piece from the ab plate, but you may connect them together. There's a connector, and the side boxes has inner inlays for belt pouches. The butt plate can be connected to the lower back, and the thighs are separated two pieces, as it should be for the serial. And you may see there's no print lines at all. It's smoothed, high gloss. It's not heavy at all. The full kit weighs about 5.5, maybe 6 kilos. It's pretty strong, high impact resist. You may see it's pretty cool, highly glossed. And surely the helmet included, and it's painted all the same paint, all the same color, so it's one kit. It's pretty cool. I finally did it. So that's what we wanted to show you. Stay tuned.